look at some mindset changes that help you to say no. So the first one is really to recognise that saying no can actually have a positive impact on your career. Say no to clients, partners, and even friends can increase their level of respect for you. In relation to career aspirations, the ability to say no in the right way, as I mentioned earlier, is actually seen as a partner quality. And even with friends, it can simply be that perhaps they value you more, perhaps don't take you for granted. So saying no can actually have some really positive impacts on both your career and your relationships. And alongside this, it's around remembering that your reasons for saying no are just as valid as their reason for wanting you to say yes. And it's not just a standard, I don't have the time, the resource, or it's not in my area of expertise, that are valid reasons for saying no. But also in our personal lives, it might be we just want a break, we need some time out, we genuinely don't have time to do whatever we've been asked to do, because actually we just need to sit there quietly, read a book, or spend some time with family or friends. So the one thing to be mindful of is it is quite easy to fall into the trap of saying no to a reasonable request if someone has made too many unreasonable ones in the past. So when you're thinking about saying no, make sure that you take each request and examine each situation on a case-by-case basis, so that you're saying no for the right reasons. And then we all know this. We can't say yes to everything. There aren't enough hours in the day. So don't feel guilty. Even the best of friends don't always agree or see eye to eye. True friends, and this also applies to clients that you've got good relationships with and partners, have to be sensitive and respectful of each other. And part of that is being able to accept a no as an answer when it's reasonable. We all want to help out, we all want to support individuals, we all want to provide the best service to our clients, but sometimes saying yes can actually damage that more than pushing back and saying no.